If our heart has become hardened, shut down, closed up because we've experienced pain after pain after pain in life, we have to help it to remember how to open up again to its natural state. And one of the best practices for helping our heart to remember how to open up to that state, like we were when we were children, just living in the moment, living in joy, open-hearted, is gratitude. By consciously cultivating a sense of gratitude on a daily basis, or if you're really hardcore, on an hourly basis, or a minute by minute basis, or a second basis. Just connect with your heart right now. Notice your breath. Feel the power of your heart center. Feel it opening up. Feel the love of your heart opening up and allowing that divine intelligence, that divine love, that light to flow through your heart. And think about one thing that you feel grateful for in this moment right now. Let that feeling of gratitude flow through your body. Feel it in your heart. Now, if you can't think of anything right now, you can be grateful for the breath. Just that inhalation and exhalation, the sweetness of just breathing. See if you can find a second thing to feel grateful for. Let your cup fill up a little bit more with this gratitude, this abundance. Something else, the sun, the sky, the birds, the flowers, the oceans, the animals, your pets. And your mind might try to take it to something I don't have. I don't have this in my life. Don't follow that train. Focus on what you do have. The beauty that's already here. What do you have to be grateful for? Feel that gratitude fill up in your whole body. Feel your heart expanding with that gratitude. And say the thoughts in your mind. I'm grateful for this comfortable chair I'm sitting on. I'm grateful for the delicious food I have in my fridge right now. I'm grateful for these two eyes that allow me to see. And as you speak it, speak the words consciously with presence. And feel the abundance that you are and that's all around you. Now, the more you practice this, consciously choosing these thoughts, of gratitude and feeling in your heart the feeling of gratitude, the more life will bring you to be grateful for. That's what I've found. That's how it works. Now, if you haven't been practicing it, your system might not be used to it. So it's like everything. If you don't know how to swim, you have to try. And at first it's difficult and you fall under the water and you try to get your head above water to breathe again, but you keep trying. And soon your stroke starts to get better. You figure out how to move your arms, your legs, how to breathe well. And it gets easier, you get faster. Then you don't need to think about it. You can just swim. It's the same. You have to practice it. You have to have this intention. I want to live in gratitude. I want to live in love. I want to open to it every moment.